Hi sweetlings, it's me again, Eulie. So today I'm gonna be sharing you guys, I'm so excited to share this with you, the 5 habits that you should start doing as a YouTuber every time na mag-a-upload kayo ng video para sa YouTube channel mo. And I'm not gonna be talking about being consistent, high energy, smiling for the camera, being spontaneous. I'm not gonna be touching those, but instead, I'm gonna be touching the technical side of YouTube. This technical side of YouTube are the small features of YouTube na pinawalang bahala na natin, especially sa mga small YouTubers. Kasi nga, we don't think na it's important, but it's actually important. Especially kapag alam mo kung paano siya gamitin. If you use these small features correctly, I'll guarantee you guys na mag-i-increase yung views mo at subscribers in the long run. Why I'm saying this kasi I've been doing research on my own on how I can improve my YouTube channel by visiting famous YouTubers channel as well as visiting the small YouTubers channel. Nililista ko po yung mga bagay na ginagawa nila na tama na pwede kong i-apply sa YouTube channel ko. And also, nililista ko din po yung mga bagay na ginagawa nila na mali na dapat kong iwasan. And while doing these 5 habits, nagigain po talaga ako ng views and subscribers. And I have proof na ipapakita ko sa inyo later on this video. Now, if you're a small YouTuber or mga YouTuber na kasisimula pa lang gumawa ng YouTube channel nila, I want you to take note of this because each habits are very crucial and very important, especially kapag yung goal mo is to grow consistently here sa YouTube.
Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell para kapag may bagong video ako, kayo yung unang makakita. Let's start!
Now, first is I want you to make a playlist. No-brainer to. I know. I want you to organize your videos kasi may mga nakikita kong small YouTubers na wala silang organization. Kung ako lang ha, kung ako yung prospect subscriber mo and nabisita ko yung YouTube channel mo, una ko talagang gagawin is titingnan ko yung mga videos or ano yung mga playlist na meron siya. I don't know sa inyo, but yun yung palagi kong ginagawa every time nag-visit ako ng YouTube channel. Some of those people, may playlist sila, but they are not categorizing it right. What I'm trying to say is, do a playlist na nakakategorize yung every niche na you have sa YouTube channel mo. For example, I have witnessed one small YouTuber na yung niche niya is about skincare and makeup and cosmetics. Hindi niya nakategorize ng tama and making it into a playlist. At ang nagiging resulta is palipat-lipat ako ng playlist. At nagiging hassle siya sa mga manonood. Categorize it correctly. Para magiging viewer-friendly yung YouTube channel mo. If it happens na maraming bumibisita sa channel mo and continuous yung nanonood ng mga videos mo, mag-i-increase po yung audience engagement nila sa YouTube channel mo. Your YouTube channel will be tagged by YouTube as a rising star. And mag-a-appear yung channel mo sa homepage ng lahat ng mga channel ng mga YouTubers. Second habit that you should start doing as a YouTuber is geeking on your YouTube analytics, especially on spotting the top videos of your channel and the top playlist of your channel. Why? Kasi I want you to re-evaluate those videos, yung ano yung mga nagawa mong tama na pwede mong i-apply sa next YouTube content mo. Kasi I'm sure magigain din sila ng views kapag na-apply mo sila ng tama. If hindi mo po alam kung paano po basahin yung YouTube Analytics mo, may isa po akong video na tinuturo ko po doon kung paano basahin yung YouTube Analytics. And click that video if you're interested to know more.
On the left side, makikita nyo po yung top videos of my YouTube channel, and on the right side, makikita nyo din po yung top videos ko by EndScreens. This will lead us to the third habit that you should start doing as a YouTuber.
Is by adding EndScreens and Icards. These are the small features na talagang hindi ginagamit ng mga small YouTubers, guys, please use this. Famous YouTubers, successful YouTubers na binibisita ko, they're using this small features always, like always. And hindi ko po siya nakikita sa mga small YouTubers na binibisita ko. Which is one of the reasons siguro why mga past or old videos ng mga small YouTubers hindi nag-gain ng views, or yung current upload lang nila yung nag-gain ng views and hindi yung mga past uploads nila. If you're a small YouTuber and wala ka pang top videos or playlist on your YouTube channel, I want you to start adding EndScreens and Icards para every time na mag-a-upload kayo ng new video, hindi matatabunan yung ibang videos mo and magigain pa rin sila ng views kasi dinadirect mo yung viewers mo anong pwede nilang panoorin next na related sa topic na currently dinidiscuss mo sa kanila or sa topics na currently sinishare mo sa kanila. Let me give myself an example here. Every time na may mga related topics akong dinidiscuss, you will notice that I always say, if you're new to my channel, watch this video, and every time na I say watch this video, may pinapakita akong thumbnail ng past video ko. After that scene, ituturo ko rin po sa taas ano yung title ng next video na pwede nilang panoorin. The good thing about EndScreens is pwede mo po siyang mapalitan every time gusto niyo siyang palitan. If you already have top videos and top playlist on your YouTube channel, I want you to check that video again. Since top video siya sa channel mo, palagi siyang binibisita or palagi siyang pinapanood ng mga viewers mo. And para po magigain din ng views yung mga past uploads mo, I want you to use the end cards correctly on that top videos. Add or idagdag mo yung mga old videos mo na related sa top video mo. Para po continuous yung panonood nila. If may playlist ka and they happen to love what you're doing, they will visit your playlist and they will watch all videos on that playlist. I promise you they will do that. So I want to show you guys how I do it.
Isa po ito sa mga top videos ko, and una po natin gagawin ay yung pag-add ng end screen. Madami ka pong mapapilian na template. You can add video or a playlist on your end screen. If hindi pa sapat sa iyo yung dalawang end screens, you can always add another end screens by clicking the element. Sa pag-add ng iCard naman, may mapapilian ka din. Pwede kang mag-add ng video, playlist, or a channel. Just make sure na related siya sa current video mo.
Last but not the least, knowing SEO. Ay nakita po akong video na yung YouTube SEO daw, hindi daw importante. Na ang dapat mo lang gawin is, dapat maganda yung quality ng video mo at content mo, but that's not always the case. If baguhan ka pa lang po sa YouTube and small YouTuber ka pa lang and wala pang masyadong pumupunta sa YouTube channel mo para manood ng mga videos mo, nasasapawan po tayo sa mga videos na the same niche natin, na the same content natin, na mas higher yung engagement rate. Napaka-importante po ng YouTube SEO. Especially kapag small YouTubers or baguhan ka pa lang dito sa YouTube. By using SEO right, optimizing our keywords, especially the title, description, and tags, overall summarizing the SEO of your YouTube video, if ina-apply mo po ng tama si YouTube SEO sa mga videos mo, in the long run, yung videos mo, makikita yan ng mga viewers. At every videos na ina-upload ko sa YouTube channel ko, ginagamitan ko po talaga yan ng SEO because we don't know, baka mag-trending and mapipick up yung videos natin and makikita ng mga nagsisearch sa YouTube. By the way, if you don't know how to apply YouTube SEO on your YouTube video, I have one video na dinidiscuss ko po siya kung paano po siya gamitin. Click that video if you want to know more. Ngayon, yung si Inka, nag-trending lang siya sa Facebook. Nawan ko siya agad ng reaction video. And when Inka trended on YouTube, madami na po yung mga famous YouTubers na nag-make din na reaction video. Since famous YouTubers sila, mas binibisita po sila. But since nagamit ko po yung SEO ko, napipick up po yung video ko. So, nag-gain din siya ng views. And I will show you the analytics of that video and I will show you how important it is the YouTube SEO.
Now, mapapansin po ninyo na yung mga keywords na ginagamit ko sa aking title is makikita nyo din po sa description ng video na ito na nasa description box. And I also make it sure na the same keywords din ang ginagamit ko sa aking tags. Now, puntahan po natin yung analytics ng video na ito and ipapakita ko po sa inyo kung paano po siya napipick up. Now, you will notice that I gained 18 subscribers on this video alone. And manonotice nyo din po na since June 29, wala pong masyadong nanonood sa video na yan. But when nag-trending si Inka sa YouTube this month of August, makikita nyo po na ang laki po na nakuha niya na views. Currently, may 870 siya na views. Makikita mo na yung top source natin ay yung YouTube search. And ito yung mga top keywords na sinisearch na mga searchers sa YouTube search. And ang mga keywords na ito ay makikita sa aking title, description, and tags. Since naging top videos ko po siya, inayos ko po na maigi yung Icards at EndScreens ng video na ito.
So that's it for our video for today. And if you're new here on my YouTube channel, please consider on subscribing to my YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up and click that notification bell. Kasi on my next video, I'm gonna be sharing you guys the things that you should start doing if you only have 100 subscribers on your YouTube channel. So, see you guys on the next video. Bye, siblings. Take care.